Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm doing a standalone lesson on bearings. Right guys, this video was recorded on Saturday the 10th of April 2021, but it's going to go live on Sunday the 11th of April, 2021, guys. Right, guys, in today's video, it is going to be like a standalone lesson looking at bearings. So talk about what bearing is and the like rules that go with like bearings. So I've got like one example here for like today's lesson, but it might be advisory to like check out Corbett Maths, Maths Genie, and Exam Solutions for like more practice, and check out their websites for more practice for like bearings topics. Okay, so first of all, guys, right? Okay, so start with bearings. So bearing is measuring angles from the north. So it's always measuring angles that is actually clockwise from my point of like from the point that I like actually measure from. Okay, and the key things to remember actually are bearings are always three figures. So it's three figures. Okay, for that. Okay, so I've got two questions here, guys. Okay, so question one says find the bearing from B to A. Now when it says from B to A, yeah, so it means I start at A and then I'm going to measure it to B. So B is obviously here actually, so that's point B and that's point A. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to measure this angle here, okay? So it's that angle here that I'm actually measuring. Now, I did it before the lesson, guys, and I measured it using the protractor, and I got 115 degrees for my angle. So it is an obtuse angle, and I got 115, guys. Okay, so the angle for A is 115 degrees. I'm not sure why it says acute there, so that is mistaken. It shouldn't be acute. And there, guys. Okay, so that's obviously that point there. Okay, so that's 115 degrees. Okay, so measure it. So of B from A means that I start at A and then I go to B. The next one says find the bearing from A to B. So I start at B and then I've got to go clockwise. So it's always clockwise direction to get to A. So I'm going to measure this reflex angle here. Now there is like more than one way I can do it. So what I can do is measure this angle here, or I can use the rule that the sum of parallel sides add up to 180. So 115 plus this has to equal 180. So working it out here, that angle is going to be 65 degrees, okay? So that is using the rules for parallel lines. Okay, that therefore means that B is going to be 360, take away 65, because angles around the point add up to 360. So the angle for B is equal to 295 degrees. Okay, so I've put here actually, so parallel lines add up to 180, and then obviously B is a reflex angle and A is an obtuse angle. Okay, so that is like a little summary of what a bearing is. So it's always starting from the north, okay, so north and then going clockwise. So it's north, east, south, west. So the way I remember it is never eat shredded wheat, okay. So it is always starting at that point there and going clockwise. So clockwise means following the direction that the clock ticks, essentially. So starting here and then going all the way around, okay, and then being happy with like your like angle and rules actually, okay. So the key point to remember, guys, is make sure that for your exams or for your studies that you got a ruler, pencil, protractor, compass, calculator, pens and rubbers, okay. And I hope that made sense, guys. And feel free to check out Corbett Maths, Maths Genie, and Exam Solutions. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.